When it comes to managing your finances, there are a few basic money rules everyone should know. Whether you're a student, just starting out in your career, or an established professional, understanding these essential principles is the key to achieving financial success. In this video, we'll explore 7 basic money rules everyone should know to help get their finances on track. From understanding budgeting basics to learning how to invest, these key money rules will help you take control of your finances and set yourself up for long-term success. 1. Know your savings percentage. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day routine of spending money, but it's essential to remember to save a portion of your income too. Before you can start building wealth and financial security, you need to understand how much of your earnings you should be putting away each month. The best way to do this is to set a savings percentage goal and make it a habit. Aim to put away at least 10% of your monthly income into a savings account or investment vehicle that earns interest. This will ensure you have a cushion for unexpected expenses, as well as a growing sum of money for future goals such as purchasing a house or retiring. The amount you save can vary depending on your needs and goals, but 10% is an excellent starting point. You don't have to save every penny, but try to make sure that 10% goes into savings each month. If you can commit to saving more, then do it. The more you save, the better off you'll be in the long run. Saving money can seem intimidating at first, but with a few smart strategies and self-discipline, you can make it a habit. Make sure to pay yourself first and watch your savings grow over time. 2. Invest your money. When it comes to managing your money, it's important to understand the basic money rules that can help you make the most of your finances. Investing your money is one of the most effective ways to ensure that you are taking full advantage of your financial resources. Investing your money gives you the opportunity to build wealth over time and help you reach financial goals. It can also help you diversify your portfolio and protect your investments against market downturns. However, it's important to remember that investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and dedication to truly reap the rewards. Before you begin investing your money, it's essential to have an understanding of the different types of investments available. Here are some of the main types of investments you can make. Stocks. Investing in stocks provides potential for capital gains and dividend income. Bonds. Investing in bonds is a low-risk investment strategy that offers regular income through coupon payments. Mutual funds. Investing in mutual funds allows you to diversify your portfolio and benefit from the expertise of professional fund managers. Real estate. Investing in real estate can provide a steady stream of passive income, but can also require more hands-on management than other investments. Once you understand the basics of investing, it's important to come up with a plan that works for you. Consider your goals, how much risk you're willing to take on, and what kind of return you hope to achieve. A financial advisor or a wealth manager can help you design an investment portfolio that meets your needs. Always remember to keep an eye on the markets and regularly review your investments so you can make necessary adjustments as needed. With these tips, you can be well on your way to making the most out of your money. 3. Live below your means. Living below your means is a basic money rule that everyone should understand and follow. It's the key to achieving financial stability and success. Living below your means simply means not spending more money than you earn each month. This can be difficult to do if you're used to living paycheck to paycheck, but it's essential for a strong financial future. Living below your means requires planning and discipline. Start by writing down your income and all of your expenses for the month. Once you have a clear picture of how much money you bring in and how much you spend each month, you can start budgeting. Creating a budget and sticking to it will help you stay on track. Be sure to factor in an emergency fund into your budget. Having a savings cushion helps protect you from unexpected costs, like car repairs or medical bills. Living below your means is an important part of financial responsibility and stability. Taking the time to plan, budget, save and pay off debt will help ensure a secure financial future. 4. Don't gamble with your money. Gambling with your money is a surefire way to put your finances in danger. It can seem like an easy way to make money quickly, but the odds are always stacked against you. Whether it's buying lottery tickets, playing slot machines, or making risky investments, gambling with your money is never a good idea. Not only do these activities not guarantee you any returns, they also can leave you in financial ruin if you lose your money. Gambling is a form of entertainment, and it's important to remember that the odds are always in favor of the house. If you want to make money, look for legitimate opportunities to earn income or invest in assets with potential returns. It's also essential to remember that gambling does not equal investing. Investing involves taking calculated risks to secure your financial future, while gambling puts your money in harm's way. Before you consider spending your hard-earned money on high-risk activities, make sure that you understand the difference between gambling and investing, and make sure that you're not taking unnecessary risks with your finances. 5. Say no to debt. Debt can be a major roadblock to achieving financial freedom, so it's important to learn how to say no to it. What you should know when it comes to debt: make sure you understand the terms of any loan or credit agreement before signing. Don't be afraid to ask questions if something doesn't make sense. Create a budget and stick to it. Knowing exactly where your money is going every month is key to staying out of debt. Always pay your bills on time. Late payments not only come with costly fees, but they can also have an adverse effect on your credit score. Don't buy something if you don't have the money to pay for it. It may be tempting to put a purchase on credit, but this is often a slippery slope to debt. Don't keep up with the Joneses. Just because your neighbors have the latest gadgets or take expensive vacations doesn't mean you have to as well. Stick to what you can comfortably afford. Don't buy things you don't need. Impulse buys can quickly add up and put a serious dent in your wallet. Make sure you're getting the best deal possible when making a purchase. Comparison shop. Look for deals and coupons, and use cashback portals when shopping online. Avoid taking out loans for non-essential items like vacations or luxury purchases. This type of spending can often put you in more debt than you'd bargained for. When borrowing money, always consider the long-term consequences of your decision. Will you be able to pay off the loan, or will it leave you in even more debt? Ask yourself these questions before taking out a loan or using credit cards. 6. Stay insured. When it comes to managing your finances, it's important to make sure you're properly insured. Whether it's auto insurance, health insurance, life insurance, or home insurance, having the right coverage can help protect your financial future and give you peace of mind. Auto insurance is especially important. It can help protect you financially in case you are ever involved in an accident. You should make sure to have adequate liability coverage so that if you cause damage to someone else, their property or medical bills can be taken care of. Additionally, if you are injured in an accident, your medical expenses may be covered under personal injury protection. Health insurance is also an important form of protection for your finances. If you don't have access to employer-provided health coverage, it's important to find a plan that meets your needs and budget. Having health insurance can help protect you from the high cost of medical bills if you become ill or injured. Life insurance is another important form of protection for your finances. It can help protect your family and loved ones from financial hardship in the event of your death. It can also help provide for your funeral expenses, debts, and other financial obligations. Home insurance is also important for protecting your finances. It can help cover repairs or replacements to your home if it is damaged by a natural disaster or vandalism. Additionally, it can help provide coverage for items that are stolen or destroyed. 7. Have an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is one of the most important money rules everyone should know. An emergency fund is a savings account specifically set aside for unplanned expenses and unexpected financial burdens, such as a medical emergency or job loss. Having an emergency fund can help you prevent overspending and avoid having to take on costly debt. Creating an emergency fund starts with setting a goal. Consider what kind of financial cushion you'd like to have and aim for that amount. It's usually best to save 3 to 6 months of your income in a separate savings account or a high-yield savings account. You can also consider investing in stocks or bonds as part of your emergency fund, but remember to diversify your portfolio and understand the risks associated with each type of investment. Next, determine how much you can put into your emergency fund each month. Look at your budget to see how much you can comfortably afford to set aside each month. Automate your savings by setting up an automatic transfer each month from your checking to your savings account. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money elsewhere. Resist the temptation to tap into your emergency fund for anything other than emergencies. It's important to be disciplined with your emergency funds so that it can do its job when you need it most. Having an emergency fund is essential to maintaining financial stability. The operative word in personal finance is personal. For managing your budget, savings, retirement planning, and other parts of your financial life, there are no universally applicable standards. Having said that, using these tried and true guidelines can help you plan your financial future. Although you may choose to modify these guidelines in practice, they can be useful for assisting in your financial decision-making. Don't forget to subscribe to Financial Literacy.